Oh man, it looks like I have a flat tire. Let's see what's going on with it. Welcome back to Honest Ride TV. Jason here, and today, unfortunately, I have a flat tire on my Model Y. You can see right here as I zoom in, there's a screw right in there. So I'm going to take you step by step of how to take on and off this tire and replace it with a full size that I got off of eBay and the tools that I use. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, subscribe is greatly appreciated, and let's move forward. Starting over here with all the tools we'll be using, you can see there that I have a full-size tire. I actually got this off of eBay. I'm sure you can find plenty of them nowadays there. We have the Amazon torque wrench right there. We have the extended socket wrench. I believe it's a size 21 right there, and I make it nice and easy. We have the updated IMAYCC jack. You can see it's a scissor jack, so you can see right there. But the nice thing is that this little top part right here fits perfectly with the little pucks. You can see here right here, and we will see how great it does when lifting the vehicle up. You can find all these items down below. I got them off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down there, except the tire. I got that off of eBay. All right, let's move forward. So the very first thing we want to do is take out this wheel cover. Should be simple enough just by grabbing the inner sides right there and pulling it softly until you see it come off slightly like that. Before I start jacking up the car, I'm actually going to loosen up the lug nuts there. I'm going to be using this 21 deep socket right there, using also the breaker bar that came with the scissor jack. Here we go. Okay, always remember, lefty loosey. All right, now let's do that with the other 5 to make the tire a lot easier to come out once it's jacked up. All right, give me a sec. All right, that's all 5 now. So everything's up loose, so I'm going to continue with jacking up the car. And now let's start placing the jack. All right, next step, when under vehicle, look for the hole where the puck will be entered to. You can see right there. That is the hole right there. You can grab your puck and see that it'll fit right in there, just like that. Awesome. So now we place our jack right underneath our vehicle, but make sure you put the puck on top of the jack here. You can see that it fits perfectly. Slide the jack and align it with the hole. All right, you can see there that the puck, jack, and hole are all aligned now. I'm going to use my hand to twist it in so it can go nicely and smooth. And I got my ratchet there, and you can see that it's sliding up on in there. All right, now what we're going to do is just keep lifting it up until the tire goes up. So give me a sec. All right, you can see there that we got it up now. The scissor jack is nice and easy to use. It definitely does help that they give you this little hand crank wrench right there. And you can check down here off the ground. So that's great. Boom, 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 moving all around. Beautiful. And again, I'll leave a link down below for this scissor jack that you can put your puck on directly down in the descriptions below. All right, with the car fully lifted now, I'm going to actually take out the lug nuts by hand. And once I do that, I'm going to pull out the tire. Give me a sec. All right, I got all 5 lug nuts out. Let me take the tire off real quickly. And we can see right here that the main issue, that screw right there. Once I install our other tire right there that I got off of eBay, I will be taking this tire here to our local tire repair shop and getting it patched. So hopefully we can reuse this because the tread still looks good on it. So yeah, let's continue forward. All right, we got our spare tire here. All we're gonna do now is basically align the holes up there to right there and get the tire back on. All right, there we go. Now it's basically we reverse engineer everything. We put the lug nuts back on, and then we're gonna put it into correct torque pressure. Give me a sec. So what I like to do is I do it by hand first, so I can quickly get them installed there, and then I'll be using the torque wrench to actually put the correct pressure on them. So give me a sec. All right, we got all 5 lug nuts installed now. So what we're going to do is take our Amazon Basic torque wrench right here and torque it all the way to 129. All you got to do is turn it to right here. Make sure that it's unlocked from here in the bottom. So you can give it a nice twist and get to the 129 marker. Give me a sec. All right, you can see right there that it's basically showing 130, but I'm going to drop it down by going to the 129 marker right there, if you can see it, right underneath the 130. Install the deep socket onto it, and now what we're going to do, righty-tighty until we hear the click, all right? All right, we're gonna tighten it until we hear a click. There we go. So once you hear the click, I like to go in a star formation. You see like that? And to tighten everything up until we hear clicks on all 5 lug nuts, all right? So give me a sec. And we're at that last lug nut now. All right, all done. So now I'm gonna fully take off the jack now. All right, as you can see here, always make sure that the puck comes out as you're pulling down the scissor jack. It is still stuck up there, but you can just move it around, wiggle it, and it drops down like that. And there you go. We took it off the jack. All right, and we're basically done. Now we just got to put back the wheel cover. So give me a second, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so first thing you got to do is find the valve hole here you can see on the wheel cover and align it with the actual valve right there on the actual wheel. Just align it like so. You can see right there. And all you're going to do is apply some pressure right there on the corners, and it should easily slide back in just like that. And there you go, everyone, and that's how you replace a flat tire with your spare tire. Again, I got the full-size tire off of eBay, and I got the IMAYCC torque wrench off of Amazon, and the IMAYCC scissor jack right there from Amazon as well. That is updated because you could actually hold the pucks there. It comes with 2 pucks right there. You can see there, and all the tools needed. I'll leave all those links down below in the description so you can get them yourself to do an easy change of tire like I did. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe, like the video. It's greatly appreciated. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye. All right, a minute ago it was still displaying about 11 PSI there. You can see that it's fully updated now, showing 36. So I do need to go get some air because I believe 42 is the normal tire pressure for each tire. But you can see it is updated. I did have to drive about a half mile for it to update onto the car. But yeah, everyone, thanks for watching.